Yo, homies, it's your boy back at Guru's Truth English. It's straight out of Los Santos. First up, I gotta apologize. I had a bad cold recently, so I couldn't share videos on YouTube for a while. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, but I'm back and feeling better than ever. Today, we're switching it up with Learn English with GTA. CJ goes shopping in Los Santos. We're hitting the stores with CJ to learn 6 English phrases for shopping San Andreas style. Perfect for English learners and GTA fans. Let's make up for last time. Drop a comment right now. What's the last thing you bought? Let's get to shopping. Alright, CJ's ready to flag some new threats. Let's roll. CJ checking the rack saying, I'm scooping out some gear, meaning he's looking for something fresh. If CJ were telling his friends, what's up, he'd break it down like, I'm looking for clothes. In proper English, that's like saying, I'm searching for new clothes. Scoping out is Los Santos slang for checking something out. Say it with that shopping vibe. I'm scoping out some gear. CJ's got his eye on something. Let's check the price. How much is this cooking fit? That's CJ asking about a dope outfit. If CJ were talking to the cashier, it'd say, how much is this cool outfit? In textbook English, it's like, how much does this nice outfit cost? Kicking is CJ way of saying something is cool. Say it with the Los Santos word. How much is this kicking fit? Price is right. Let's cop it. I'm trying to cop this. That's CJ's ready to buy something fresh. If CJ were telling his crew, he'd put it like, I'm trying to buy this. In formal English, that's, I want to purchase this. Cop is slang for buying something. Say it with that buyer's vibe. I'm trying to cop this. Homies, let's cop it. Repeat, I'm trying to cop this. Yo, homies, we're halfway through CJ's shopping spree. 3 verses down, 3 to go. If you're feeling these Los Santos vibes, share this video with a friend who loves GTA or needs some English practice. Drop a quick grocery in the comments to show some love. And let's keep shopping with CJ. CJ ready to buy. Let's see if he can get a deal. Can you hook me with a deal? CJ trying to save some cash. If CJ were bargaining with the cashier, he'd say, can you give me a discount? In proper English, that's like asking, can you offer me a lower price? Hook me up with slang for giving a favor. Say it with a smooth voice. Can you hook me up with a deal? Deal secure. Time to pay. I'm paying with cash. CJ is ready to close the deal. If CJ were telling the cashier, he'd keep it simple. I'm using money to pay. In formal English, that's I'm paying with paper money. Paying is just CJ's chill way of talking. Say it with that wide vibe. I'm paying with cash. CJ's got his gear. Let's see him flex it. I'm rocking this new drip. CJ's showing off his new style. If CJ were bragging to his crew, he'd say, I'm wearing this new style. In textbook English, that's like, I'm wearing these new clothes. Drip is slang for a fresh look. Say it with the Los Santos swagger. I'm rocking this new drip. That's a wrap, homies. You've learned 6 shopping phrases with CJ in Los Santos, from scoping out gear to rocking that new drip. Now you're ready to hit these stores San Andreas style. If you love this, give us a shout out in the comments. Tell us what you'd buy with CJ in Los Santos. Wanna join the Guru Street crew? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Check out CJ's daily log in parts 1, 2, and 3, or our shorts. CJ at the gym and CJ on the road. Links below. Thanks for shopping with us. Catch you in the next one.